Thank you for viewing this stunning T-Roc here at Redditch Volkswagen Trust Group UK. This T-Roc is covered by Volkswagen's approved used car programme. This is the SE specification. It's the flash red with the black roof and wing mirrors. It has the popular petrol TSI engine, 6-speed manual with electronic handbrake and auto hold. You get silver alloy wheels, 17-inch, black roof rails, front and rear ultrasonic parking sensors, the Trax cloth upholstery throughout, ISOFIX points in the rear, a touchscreen infotainment unit with digital radio, phone, Bluetooth, various media options and your app connect function. This means you can turn your compatible smartphone into things such like satellite navigation for streaming music or even talking on the go. You have 2-zone climate control air conditioning, 2 USB ports, 12-volt sockets, multifunctional steering wheel with adaptive cruise control with speed limiter, front assist as well as lane assist, and the mileage, just to confirm, is 26,173 miles. That's just a small preview of what this lovely SUV has to offer. To find out more, call the sales team. It's 01527 88 3300. Alternatively, please submit your inquiry via online.